What I did to achieve you gave me air, thought I had to. I'm untrue.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaushiki and I make videos all about home, natural gluten-free living and mindfulness. I upload video every single week, so if you like this type of content, do consider subscribing. Today, I'm trying to make over my kitchen here in Mumbai apartment. We moved here almost 7 months back. And I have been tweaking each part of my home slowly and eventually to make it functional and comfortable at the same time. Bigger part of my day goes in kitchen. Hence I want this place to function and at the same time look beautiful. I want the decor to be easy to clean and maintain. So I resorted to functional decor, mostly in the kitchen. I've decided to label these soap dispensers. These were plastic soap dispenser and they have been colored many a times. For my previous apartment, it was white, and now for this apartment, it turned black. I'm using this toothbrush holder to hold all my sponges. I have added these zip ties in toothbrush, and these toothbrush comes really handy when cleaning the taps or those odd corners while cleaning the utensils like pressure cooker lids. I have attached some wall sticking hooks on this side of the sink for easy access. This is a medicine container which I am reusing with a pothos plant. And the sink area is done for me. This utensil holder is an old DIY of a wine chiller. You can catch my old kitchen tour and I'll leave the link in the eye above. This system stays the same. Masala box, sugar, salt and ghee container on top, and various oils that I use for my cooking. These are all my servewares, small grater and sieve. A bottle of water is necessary and a small platter to hold the utensils while cooking. These chopping boards I use all the time to serve various kinds of snacks and platters that I make. I use a lot of wooden platters to serve my snacks, even on a daily basis. And instead of keeping it inside the cupboard, I am displaying it right on the counter. Easy to access, looks beautiful, adds a warmth. These are potato, onion and garlic containers. Now let's see how my kitchen countertop looks like.
I fall in love, I fall in love. All of the things that I wish I could tell you every time when you're passing me by. I fall in love, there's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love, there's something about
Mumbai rains have made the weather so beautiful here. Today, Anshuman is traveling, so we decided to eat a little bit of gluten just for the change. I'm mildly gluten sensitive, so most of the days we eat gluten free. Today, I decided to make suji ka halwa and some paneer cutlet. I was suffering from COVID for last few days. You can make out from my voice as well. So there's a lot of milk in the fridge that I need to make into paneer. I will reuse that. In my upcoming videos, I will try and share a lot of kitchen organizing and decor ideas for you for a rental kitchen. I'll also share the tour of my fridge and how I keep my vegetables, how I do my meal prep. If these topics interest you, do give me a thumbs up in the comments. Let me know what all ideas you would like to see more. Here I am soaking some saffron threads in some warm water. Fresh cottage cheese or paneer is ready. Usually I save the whey, but since the milk was 2 days old, I didn't want to save it. I'm preparing all the vegetables needed for paneer cutlet. I'll just take a quick break, exhausted after doing so much work. Let's quickly make some paneer cutlet and suji ka halwa. You might have seen this chopper in almost all my videos. I highly recommend this. Not even a single meal of the day is over with this chopper. For paneer cutlet, we would need some coriander leaves, garlic, onion, ginger, and some green chili. I don't want to overload it with spices. add some carrots and beans finely chopped as well. I'm keeping it simple, just adding some paneer and some leftover bread. The bread helps to absorb all the moisture from paneer and the vegetables. If you do not have bread or do not wish to use, if I was making it gluten-free, I would add some poha to this. I'll add salt, chaat masala and little bit of black pepper. That's it. In a kadhai, I'll heat 1/4 cup of ghee. To this, I'll add some dry fruits and quickly stir fry them. Usually, it takes not more than 30 seconds to 1 minute to roast these dry fruits. Be extra careful because they can burn very quickly. Now to the same ghee, add half a cup of suji or raw rava. I can tell you my whole house smells so divine. Once it's slightly golden brown, add 1.5 cup of water. So if you're using 1 cup of rava, then you will add 3 cups of water. The ratio is 1:3. To this, I'm adding 1/4 cup of sugar. You can also use jaggery. There is no need to make a simple syrup or chashni for this. This is one pot recipe. There is a lot of stirring required in this halwa. So, in my opinion, just make halwa and then start preparing anything else. Coat the cutlet in some rava or suji to give that crisp taste. If you want to make this gluten-free, coat this with rice flour instead. That will give you a similar result. I'll just add a pinch of green cardamom to the halwa and the food is ready to serve.
I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. Can't stand to hear more today. I'm gonna lock my door and stay inside or wait until I'm safe again. I have nothing more to put on. I'm defeated and withdrawn.
All for today, people. See you next time. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and thank you for watching.